Welcome to Travel Tips Wonder, your top travel guide. Today we are exploring Antalya, a city where the serene blue of the Mediterranean Sea shares its boundary. With the wild beauty of the Taurus Mountains, this city blends a deep history, lively culture, and stunning scenery. In the upcoming week, we will be your guides on this virtual journey, leading you through the city's quaint old town, spectacular beaches, age-old ruins, and much more. We'll delve into the local food culture, reveal some secret spots, and offer you advice on how to capitalize on your visit. So, recline, unwind, and accompany us on this thrilling expedition. Welcome to a city where history meets the sea. Welcome to Antalya. A vibrant city nestled on the turquoise coast of Turkey, Antalya is a mesmerizing blend of ancient charm and modern allure. As we embark on this journey together, we'll delve into the heart of this coastal gem, unveiling its enchanting beauty and captivating history over the span of one unforgettable week. Our journey will take us through the cobbled streets of the Old Town, to the pristine beaches, up to the mountainous regions, and back to the bustling bazaars. We'll explore ancient ruins, savor delicious Turkish cuisine, and immerse ourselves in the rich culture and tradition that make Antalya so unique. This is not just about sightseeing, it's about experiencing Antalya in all its glory. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through time and beauty. Your adventure begins in the heart of Antalya, the charming old town. As you step off the plane and breathe in the Mediterranean air, a wave of excitement washes over you, knowing that the week ahead is filled with endless possibilities. You make your way to your accommodation, nestled amid the winding cobblestone streets, where the echoes of history intermingle with the lively hum of modern life. Your exploration starts with the old town's ancient architecture, where each stone whispers tales of yesteryears, and the vibrant local culture that thrives in every corner. The multitude of colors from the local markets, the tantalizing aroma of street food, the sound of laughter and chatter, all blend into a symphony that dances in the air. As the sun dips below the horizon, the old town transforms into a hub of nightlife. The streets, now bathed in the warm glow of lanterns, buzz with energy and anticipation. As the sun sets, the vibrant nightlife of the old town comes alive, the perfect end to your first day. Day 2 brings you face to face with Antalya's stunning natural beauty. Kick off your morning with a refreshing dip at Konyaaltı Beach. This pebble-strewn paradise offers a tranquil spot to soak up some sun and enjoy the crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. From there, make your way to Lara Beach, a haven for sunseekers drawn to its golden sands. Here, you can indulge in a variety of water sports or simply lie back and relish the radiant Turkish sunshine. As the afternoon rolls in, it's time to visit the awe-inspiring Duden Waterfalls. Nestled in verdant greenery, this natural wonder will leave you spellbound with its cascading beauty. Cap off your day with a trip to the Antalya Aquarium. This marine marvel offers a unique underwater experience, showcasing a mesmerizing array of aquatic species from around the globe. Day 3 takes you to a voyage through history and time as you explore the ancient ruins of Antalya. Start your day by immersing yourself in the awe-inspiring remnants of the past, and don't forget to capture these unforgettable moments with your camera. The historical exploration. Gear up for a journey through the ancient city of Hierapolis, nestled right next to Pamukkale. Unearth the rich tapestry of history that this UNESCO World Heritage Site has to offer. As the sun sets on this mesmerizing day, it's time to rest and rejuvenate for the next day's adventures. Day 4 is about a wonderful day trip to Olympos, where ancient history meets natural beauty. Begin your adventure by visiting the ancient city of Olympos, steeped in history and surrounded by lush landscapes. After that, explore the charming village of Sirali. Conclude your day with a visit to the mythical Mount Olympos, where you can marvel at its beauty and enjoy a peaceful retreat in nature. This day trip promises a blend of culture, history, and scenic wonders, offering an unforgettable experience in the heart of Turkey's Mediterranean coast. Day 5 is all about experiencing the magic of Pamukkale from the sky. Take an unforgettable air balloon ride over the white terraces and ancient ruins. As the balloon goes up, you'll feel excited to see Pamukkale in a whole new way. Floating peacefully in the sky, you'll watch the sunrise paint the landscape in beautiful colors, revealing the ancient ruins and pools below. The journey offers moments of wonder and calm, ending with a smooth landing back on the ground, leaving you with memories of a special day flying over Pamukkale's stunning views. Day 6 calls for an exciting boat tour along the stunning turquoise coast. Snorkel in the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Marvel at the underwater world teeming with life. The day is yours to enjoy, whether you prefer swimming, sunbathing, or simply taking in the breathtaking views. Finally, Day 7 is for shopping. Explore the vibrant markets and bazaars, each one brimming with unique souvenirs that capture the spirit of Antalya. Take your time, haggle a bit, and find the perfect mementos to remember your journey by. As the day draws to a close, reflect on your week's experiences and favorite moments, storing them away as memories. Antalya is a city that beckons you to discover, unwind, savor, and immerse yourself. It's a destination where ancient ruins coexist with lively markets, where serene beaches complement diverse experiences, offering something new every day. So whether you're drawn by the of history, the promise of relaxation, the thrill of adventure, or the joy of discovery, Antalya has something for you. As you say goodbye to Antalya, you'll carry memories of a city that's as diverse as it is beautiful. Before we part ways, there's one more thing to do. Show your love by hitting that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, hit the like button and bell icon to stay updated on future adventures.